Hello and welcome to another new episode of Learning Simplified. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use Google Fonts to your project. So let's go to internet and look for Google Fonts over here. Now we see that this is the official website of Google Fonts and we are going to right click on it and open it with a new tab. So this is the layout of Google Fonts. Now we can see there are plenty of fonts right over here, among which we have to look for the exact font that directly matches with this layout, with this font. Now the font so far I have used here, it was Cell. That is why I would be looking for Cell here in this Google Fonts, Cell font. And I think we are a little bit of lucky here because we found the exact same font that has been used both in the template and in the website in our project. And we can see that there's plenty of the options over here. So this is the preview of a sentence thing, and if you would like to change this preview to from sentence to paragraph, you may do it. And this is how it will look if it is used in a paragraph. And if you use the alphabet over here, then you will see that this is the preview in case of alphabetical display of your web page. Then comes about these numerals. So these are various options over here. Among them I will be choosing this sentence. In this sentence preview, if you just increase the size of the font, then there will be a proper display of how this font will be looking into your site. And after all these things, all you have to do, you have to click on this right plus sign, and we have selected this font and we will be now using it. Now if we click into here, it will be in a maximized version, and we will be seeing there are two methods with which you may import this font directly into your project. So this is the first principle with which it can be imported, that is the standard method. You have to copy this code into your index.html and you have to place it inside. This is the index.html and you have to place it inside this head tag, and I'll be placing it right beneath this stylesheet.css been linked up. So here I'm going to pasting this coding over here. Then all we need to do, we need to get back to stylesheet.css, and in the h2 header tag where we are intending to use this font, we will be getting back over there, and first of all we are going to comment this font family out that has been used in our previous tutorials, and then we are going back to Google Fonts again and we specify this font family into our CSS. Now another thing that has to be checked over here is the loading time. It says that the load time is fast, so there's no problem in loading speed of the website of your project. So this is good to go and we are using it into our project. Now get back to your stylesheet.css and press Ctrl V to paste this thing into here. Now press Ctrl S, get back to your project and reload. Now you see that this web page is being reloaded over here, and now the same exact font is placed here. What you are doing over here, you are directly using this Google font, this font family. You were specifying this style, you were specifying this particular link href and relevance into your website, into your index.html, and then you are specifying the font family into your stylesheet.css. So basically this actually reduces the possibility of errors. Another thing, you may download this font directly into your computer and then you use it into your project, but remember, if you download this selection, download this font from Google into your machine, then it will be downloaded as extract files, and you may see that this sailregular.ttf, this is actually a true type font that has been downloaded to your computer. Then the hectic job comes over again. You have to do all those things that we have seen in our previous tutorial. So this is the acceptance of Google Fonts, using Google Fonts into your project, that despite of making so much hard works, we are just copy pasting these things and we are using it. Another thing is here import. Same thing here, this is the style statement as it has been provided here. All you have to do, you have to copy this code and you have to paste this code. Instead of using this particular code, all you need to do, you need to place it over here. Now you have to get back to style sheet and you have to replace this font family, and you have to paste this font family here. You see, this is the exact font family. Now if you come back to your project and reload, now you will see that the same font family is being used over here. There's no change in it. Actually what you are doing over here, you are now using the @import syntax of web HTML code, and you are using it directly into your project. Now you may use the same thing over here into your stylesheet.css. All you need to do, you need to copy this code, then you need to remove this style statement from the head tag of yours. And another thing you must remember, that each time whenever you are importing something of the Google Fonts, or if you are linking your JavaScripts or your style sheets with your index.html, all you have to do, you have to place the source codes into your head tag and nothing else. This is a major factor, you have to take care of it. I have linked those tags, those extra tags, after I have completed linking my style sheet, the customized style sheet that I have created for the sake of this project. Now get back to your stylesheet.css. First of all, delete this thing. So you need to get back to your stylesheet.css. You need to import that particular style sheet over here at the top of your page, and then you place all those things over here. This is a crucial factor. You need to make sure that you have placed those @import syntaxes all above these other codes inside your style sheet and nowhere else. Now if you come back to your project, reload, and you see that the same thing is happening over here. Same exact font is being placed over here. There's no problem with it, and you are now good to go with your fonts. So this is the ideal method of using Google Fonts to your project. Hope to see you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.